Bakit malusuhot niya? Ay, hindi pala. Ayun pala. Grabe ha. And syempre, of course, mga Melita, sente na po tayo muli. At tayo na po tayong lahat at sabay-sabay po tikakantahan si Nanay Melita ng Jolly Birthday Song. Okay, tayo na po tayo lahat, please. And Nanay Melita, sarapan na muna po tayo. Kasama po yung upuan, ano? And of course, with my lovely guys and kids here, at this very point, here with all of you guys. O, dito po tayo, opo, sa gitna. With my kids and guys here, with this very point, let us all sing, of course, the jolliest, happiest birthday song to Nanay Melita. Everybody will sing Jolly Birthday Song! Jolly birthday to you, jolly birthday to you, jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. With this very special moment for Nanay Melita, your birthday wish, ano pong birthday wish ng Nanay Melita, tapos message po sa ating mga lovely guys who attended your birthday celebration today. Ma'am?
Magkakasundo sila lahat. Magkakasakit. Laging maraming pagkain namin. May mga trabaho. At pagtibayan sila. Hindi lang mag-aaway-away.
Happy birthday! Basta sabihin sa akin niya para sa kanyang sarili. Ibinibigay pa rin niya doon para sa kanyang mga anak. Happy birthday namin kay Melita. All of the love, care, and support given to the family to you is all overwhelming. Happy jolliest birthday. Ano ba yung pinapalaga ninyo? Happy birthday! Luhang katawaan po binibigay ninyo na Melita para sa mga Doligas and kids, especially to all of our loved ones. Happy birthday to this point! Ito naman malakas at kasi ng job with something like Melita. Everybody sing Johnny! First on one time!